Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jazwal and I post videos on how to do easy cocktails at home. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a Blue Lagoon, and this cocktail is based with blue Curacao, vodka and Sprite. So take your glass and add some ice. You can use any preferred glass that you have at home. In my case, I'll be using a highball. Add about 40 ml or 60 ml of vodka depending on which blue Curacao syrup you have. If you have a liqueur, you gotta add 40 ml. If you have a syrup, you gotta add 60 ml of your vodka. So add about 40 ml of your vodka. There you go. Add about 20 ml or less of your blue Curacao. You could just add a dash. There you go. And all you need is just add Sprite. That's it, Blue Lagoon, guys. To complete your drink, all you need is garnish. You could garnish it with a lime peel or a lime badge, whichever one you have. Or you can go with a lemon. So I'll be going with the lime peel. There you go. And don't forget to add a straw. Cheers, guys. This is your Blue Lagoon. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Drop me a comment below. Let me know what you want to see in the next video. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy.